In this video, I will teach you how you can design a great custom t-shirt for our t-shirt designing project. So yes, we will be designing that in Canva. Canva is a really great site, very beginner friendly, and you can use it for whatever you want. Posts, social media posts, banners, thumbnails, PDFs, flyers, basically everything you need. All right, now let's get into the topic. So we are creating a design for our t-shirt. First, you need to go to the template section and search for t-shirt design, and you will find there are lots of free versions available. You can pick whichever you like. These are the pro ones, so you can skip them and just select other free options. So let me pick one. You can see this one is also free. Maybe I like this one. Let's pick this one. This one is free. Now go to Customize this template, and you will be taken to another page. Maybe this is the front design and this is the back one, or this is both front and back. If you want to change anything, you can make adjustments, add whatever you like, and also add your logo here. So for example, this logo, if you have a logo, you can add it here. If you want to change the color of any element, go to the color and select it here. In this way, you can add your logo as well. You can also copy and paste using Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. If you want to add other elements, you can include whatever you like. This way, you can create very eye-catching and attractive t-shirt designs in Canva easily and in just a few simple steps within a few minutes. Once you complete all your designs, after rechecking and making sure you are satisfied and ready to export, you need to go to Share and Download and select the format you prefer, whichever works best for you. There might be a printable file option, PDF, as well, and if you only want to download with as PNG, then you can just download or also select ISO. This is how you can create a very aesthetic and professional design using Canva for free. It's very easy, with simple steps, to create it within a few minutes. If you have any doubts or confusion about Canva, you can just comment below. I will be responding to your questions. And if you want a video on a specific Canva topic, we will create a video for that as well. If this video helped you, then please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.